Hello students, today we are going to solve second numerical of ship model. Question is written as a 1 raised to 15 model of a flying boat is towed through water. The prototype is moving in seawater of density 1024 kg per meter cube at a velocity of 20 meter per second. It means that the velocity of prototype is given as 20 meter per second and a density of seawater is given as 1024 kg per meter cube. Now we have to find the corresponding speed of the model. It means that we have to find the speed of the model here. Now first of all, we will write all the given quantities here. Now linear scale ratio, that is LR, is given as 15. Similarly, velocity of prototype is also given as 20 meter per second, as well as density of seawater is also given as rho p equals to 1024 kg per meter cube, as well as density of water. We know that the density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube. Now we have to find the velocity of model. Now for velocity of model, we have to use the Froude's model law here. With the help of Froude model law, we can write the equation as velocity of model upon Lm into g will be equals to velocity of prototype upon under root of Lp into g. Now after solving this, we will have the velocity of model equals to under root of Lm upon Lp into Vp, because g and g will cancel out each other. Now we will simplify this equation and we will write Vm equals to Vp upon under root of Lp upon Lm. Now this Lp upon Lm will be known as Lr, which is given in the question, that is 15. Now we have to find the velocity of model, and we know the value of velocity of prototype, it will be equals to 20, and the value of LR, we know that it will be equals to 15. So we will write here under root of 15. After solving this, we will have the velocity of model equals to 5.165 meter per second. That is the velocity of model. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.